Welcome to Configure Pro, a single unified home OS configuration platform that improves setup and management in every way. Configure Pro lets us get more done in less time with faster navigation and an intuitive interface. Powerful, no programming tools, and productivity features for integrators. Built with a decade of experience and direct input from professionals. This is a smart home setup for you by you. Once installed, Crestron Configure Pro will show you this screen and allow you to get started in 3 different ways. The System button allows you to access systems you have already added and saved. In Configure Pro, the Auto Discover button will cause Configure Pro to scan the network your computer is connected to for Crestron Home Systems and show them to you in a list. Lastly, Add Manual will allow you to manually enter the connection information for a specific home system you want to connect to. Let's look at the first option, Systems. Since this is the first time we have used Configure Pro, there are no systems listed here. At the top right of the screen, 3 icons will help us bring systems into Configure Pro. The plus sign will allow you to discover systems or manually enter them. The next button is Import, which will allow you to import address books from Configure Pro or Crestron Home Setup. The last button, the Save icon, will allow you to save the systems that are currently listed in the window here. Once saved, these systems can be selected and easily connected to. Moving back to the main menu, let's take a look at Auto Discover. The Discover option will scan your network for Crestron Home Systems. When discovery has completed, you will see a list of the discovered systems, a graphic of the processor, and the hostname and IP address of the processor will be shown. You can click on discoverable addresses to allow you to specify different subnets. To search for Crestron Home Systems, enter the information for the subnet, click the Add Subnet button, and then you can click Discover Systems to search the added subnets. You can use the refresh button at the bottom of the screen to perform a discovery anytime you like. To the right of Discovered Systems, you'll see a caret indicator. When you click this, it will take you to the connection details for that particular system. In here, you will add a friendly name or location. You can switch between IP address and host name for connection. You can add the admin username and admin password for that system. Under Advanced Settings, we see a web port and a WebSocket port is listed. These are the default ports that are normally used. However, if required, you can change these ports. Once any changes you need are made, you can click the Connect button and connect directly to the processor. Moving back to the main menu, our last and final option is Add Manually. When you click the Add Manually button, it brings you to a screen which will allow you to enter the friendly name, IP address or host name, admin username and admin password, along with the web port and WebSocket that will be used to make a connection to that Crestron Home processor. This concludes our Getting Started with Configure Pro video.